Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water inlet valve in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water inlet valve. This water inlet valve is located in the fresh food section in the upper right rear corner behind the cover panel. It supplies water to the water dispenser and to the ice maker. The main reason to replace the water inlet valve is if it leaks water and there is a puddle at the bottom of the section, or there's no water at the ice maker or the water dispenser. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. Alright, so now we need to remove all the shelves. I'm going to start with this small one on the top, lift it up, and release the rear hooks. And this one, and this one, and the last one. Next, I'm going to open the filter compartment, our water filter. This is a tab. I'm going to push it forward and open it. Then I'm going to bring down this water filter. And now we're going to have this towel placed right there underneath. There's opening in there, so the water probably will come out. And I'm going to turn it counterclockwise and remove it. So next I'm going to take down this filter base. Actually, it's a filter frame, and I'm going to use this flat blade screwdriver. There's one tab here on this side and the one on the opposite side. I'm going to press it in and pull it down. I'm going to lock it for now. So next step is to remove this cover panel. There's 4 openings, and there's a tab inside of each opening. So we're going to use the same flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to place it in and open one tab at a time. And now I'm going to the lower ones. I'm going to press it down. And this one, and open it and remove it. There's one more tab right there in that opening. I'm going to use the same flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to put it right there on the top of it, and I'm going to push it down, and this whole upper portion is free. Okay, now I'm going to remove this water valve. We have clips here on the top, and we have a clip here at the bottom. So what we need to do, we need to open the clips using the same flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to bend it slightly, pull it, bend and pull. So we've already freed the top, and go to the bottom, and got this at the bottom. All right, so it's out. Then there's 2 water lines. And you can also use the flat blade screwdriver and just slightly pry it out. All right, it's free. Next, we are going to disconnect this plug on the top. And pry this off and this plug up. Okay. and the plug at the bottom. And now we have those 3 water lines, so we need to press down on the locking collars on each tube and pull it out. That's a good idea if we will use a towel before we'll start detaching these tubes. And I'm going to disconnect these water lines. So I'm going to press on the collar. I'm going to use a flat screwdriver and my finger on the opposite side. Comes out. Then I'm going to go down to this one. Same. And the last one. Be careful, it's full of water. This is the old water inlet valve next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from appliancepartspros.com. So now I'm going to use this flat blade screwdriver. We're going to open this clip so we can take this portion of this cover box out. Lift it up and take this out. So we have a naked plug here, and we're going to plug it in. It goes in like that. So I'm gonna plug this in right there, and I'm gonna bring the box. I'm gonna slide it on here. Place it right there. And it latches like that underneath. And now I'm gonna bring this side, place it in. Oh, one more plug here at the bottom, so we won't forget. And I'm gonna install this in, press it in. Like that, all the way. Then this one, like that, and the top one. All right, we're all done with that. Place the ground wire on, and I'm gonna put this tubing in, and I'm going to press the valve in. So I'm gonna lock these clips. And put the harness out of the way. Next, I'm going to open the filter cover all the way down, and now I'm going to remove it from the hinges here by just spreading it apart. And now I'm going to mount this upper cover plate. We've got these hinges here on the side that overlap these 2 hinges on the filter base. So we're going to start with putting it in, and I'm going to bring it up. Now I'm going to install this filter door back on the hinges and pull it apart and place it on. I'm going to lock it for now and push it in all the way so it will clip on like that. And now I'm going to install the bottom cover panel. We've got this 2 clips here that goes into these 2 cutouts. Put it in and bring it up. And I'm going to press it in so it will lock. We got 4 points. And now we can remove the towel. Now I'm going to open that filter door, and we're going to install the filter. Place it in. And push it in and rotate it clockwise until it stops, and then we can just bring it up and lock. And now we're going to install the shelves back in. I'm going to place the back of the shelf, the hooks, into the cutouts. And go to this one. And I'm going to place the small one. And the last one. And now we can close both doors. Plug the fridge in, open the water, and check if there are any leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.